Welcome back everyone. Today we are taking a close look at the new bike 2026 TVS Classic 70 cubic centimeters, a motorcycle made for riders who love simplicity, efficiency, and a classic look with modern practicality. At first glance, the TVS Classic 70 cubic centimeters grabs attention with its retro-style design. The round headlamp, smooth body lines, and classic fuel tank shape give it an old-school feel, while modern touches like LED lights and a semi-digital meter keep it updated. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, showing speed, fuel level, and basic information without any confusion. Talking about the engine, this bike comes with a 70 cubic centimeters engine that is focused on mileage and smooth daily performance. It's not built for racing, but for city rides, short commutes, and daily errands. It does the job perfectly. The engine feels refined for its size, with low noise and minimal vibrations, making it comfortable even for beginners or senior riders. In terms of performance, the TVS Classic 70 cubic centimeters offers smooth acceleration and stable handling. It's easy to control in traffic, narrow lanes, and crowded city roads. The lightweight body makes turning and parking very easy. Suspension is tuned for comfort, so small potholes and rough patches don't feel too harsh during daily rides. Braking is simple and reliable, with drum brakes and an optional front disc depending on the variant. The braking response is smooth and predictable, which adds confidence, especially for new riders. The bike feels balanced and safe at normal city speeds. Comfort is another strong point of this bike. The seat is wide and soft, the riding posture is upright, and the low seat height makes it easy for riders of all heights to handle the bike comfortably. Long daily rides feel relaxed without putting pressure on the back or shoulders. One of the biggest selling points of the TVS Classic 70 cubic centimeters is its affordability and fuel efficiency. Low maintenance cost, excellent mileage, and TVS's wide service network make it a very practical option. It's ideal for students, office commuters, and anyone looking for a stylish yet budget-friendly bike. Overall, the new bike 2026 TVS Classic 70 cubic centimeters is a simple, reliable, and good-looking commuter motorcycle. It focuses on comfort, mileage, and ease of use rather than unnecessary features. If you want a no-nonsense bike with a classic vibe for daily riding, this one is definitely worth checking out. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें और ऐसे हाई लेटेस्ट बाइक रिव्यूज के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए।